How to learn English fast and easy. Learning English can be easy if you have the right plan and motivation every day. First, it is important to start with simple words and short phrases that you can use in real life. Watching English videos with subtitles is a fun way to hear how native speakers talk. Try to repeat the sentences out loud to practice speaking clearly and with confidence. Listening to English music or podcasts while doing daily tasks helps your brain learn without pressure. If you enjoy the process, learning becomes faster and more natural. Reading simple English texts every day is another great way to improve fast. You can read short stories, news articles for beginners, or even children's books. When you see a new word, try to guess its meaning from the sentence before using a dictionary. Write down useful words in a notebook and review them often. Reading out loud also helps with pronunciation and fluency. The more you read, the more your brain gets used to the English language. Speaking is one of the most important skills to practice every day, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself about your day, your plans, or what you see around you. You can also record your voice and listen to how you sound in English. Try to find someone to talk with, like a friend, a teacher, or even a language partner online. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking more is how you improve quickly. Remember, confidence is more important than being perfect. Finally, make English a part of your daily life so you learn faster without stress. Change your phone settings to English and try thinking in English as much as possible. Set small goals like learning 5 new words every day or watching one short video in English. Use apps, flashcards, or games that make learning fun and exciting. Be patient and keep practicing, even when it feels hard. With time and effort, you will see big progress in your English. Keep going and don't give up.